The next topic is towards civil disobedience. So now we will discuss how after the non-cooperation movement it further leads to another movement, that is civil disobedience movement. In February 1922, Mahatma Gandhi decided to withdraw the non-cooperation movement. So remember the year on which day, month and year Mahatma Gandhi decided to call off the non-cooperation movement. And what was the main reason? The main reason was the violent clash between the protester and the police at Chauri Chaura, Bihar. So this incident is known as Chauri Chaura incident. Do remember it. He felt the movement was turning violent in many places and satyagrahis needed to be properly trained before they would be ready for mass struggle. So whatever happened at the Chauri Chaura incident, he felt that in order to have a good movement or a good movement, all the people, whether they belong to the Muslim or Hindu, they should have some awareness about how a movement should be done before they would be ready for the mass struggle. Within the Congress, some leaders were by now tired of mass struggle and wanted to participate in election to the provincial councils that had been set up by the Government of India Act of 1919. So many of the Congress leaders, they were not at all interested in the mass struggle which was launched by the Mahatma Gandhi, and they were more interested in the elections which would be done by the provincial council by the act known as Government of India Act 1919. Remember the act name. They felt that it was important to oppose British policies within the council, argue for reform, and also demonstrate that these councils were not truly democratic. So these are the reason why some of the Congress leader wanted to participate in the election, because their main objective was to enter in the British Council or British Provincial Council, and if they will be the member of the Provincial Council, they can at least share their opinion and views regarding the according to the mass or people's point of view. British policies. C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru formed the Swaraj Party within the Congress to argue for a return to council politics. So, who made a different council, that is C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru formed a party known as Swaraj Party within the Congress so that they can return to the council politics. But younger leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose pressed for more rational mass agitation and for full independence. So there was the clash within the Congress, and one party wants to participate in the provincial council election, and other party wants to focus on more mass struggle and so that they can earn the full independence. So there was a clash between the two within the Congress itself, and the party was divided into two parts, as you can see, as their views are different from each other.